Hey guys, it's Julie, aka The Mug Life DIY. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands today. I don't know, I'm just so excited because today I have an unboxing for you and I'm so excited. So I loved. I will link the video of my friend, the crafty DIY guy, Jamie. He did this unboxing of this company and I was like, oh my gosh, that looks like so much fun. So I went onto the website and I was like, oh, I need a box. Like, I don't know, just random exciting surprise. So I even have a code for you. So if you love mystery unboxes, they have all sorts of amazing, really cool products and different options to choose from. I have the Amazon one because I love Amazon. So let's jump right into it. Right. Safety first, guys. Okay, so, and no, I have absolutely no idea what is in this box. I'm kind of hoping that I just get some really good stuff, and then, you know, if, we're moving. If I can give some of these for my kids, and we have a lot of birthdays coming up, so I'm kind of like, okay, so I'm gonna dive right in. Okay, oh my gosh. So my oldest son is 8. Legos. It's so cool. Okay, so it's a build your own pullback getaway truck. That's so cool. So it says 128 pieces. This one is really cool. And then it still has those like little tires. And that is pretty cool. So this will be an awesome birthday present for my eldest son. Okay. Let's see. Oh my gosh, guys. We got a Sonic toothbrush. That is so awesome. Okay, so this one is the Sonicare 4100 Powerless Toothbrush. It says #1 Philips. Like, that's like a really good toothbrush. Like, it comes with the handle, the one brush head, the one charger, and the one hygienic cap. Oh, so you just, okay, so you just replace the little, words are hard, it's at it, cap. What? This is a baby scale? What? That's crazy. Okay, so follow your baby life. High accuracy measure, high precision sensor, LCD display. That's really cool. So like in her baby book, I could do some different things. So this looks amazing. Like, this is a really good mom bed. I've never seen that. Oh my gosh. We got another one. So this one is adorable. So that's like a kid version. This is perfect for my kids. So, oh, look at that. So it says, power toothbrush, it's interactive fun for better brushing. Oh, so I think this is the one that like my kids can have like a timer on my phone and it tells them, yeah, it's got the 2-minute timer. That is so exciting. I think that is perfect. I know. Yeah, it says you can download the app on your phone. Oh my God. Okay, so I just have to, let's see. Okay, this is awesome. Okay, so it's got like the little, where one of them can decorate it. That's adorable. So it's got the little brush, the little charger. So I'm probably gonna have to buy another one of these off of Amazon so that both of my older sons can have these. And if they work really well, I don't know, my youngest is still 1, so I don't feel like that's a little too intense. I have no idea. I have no idea what this is. Okay. Maybe it came out of something else. Oh. Okay, see, this is why I need my husband. Because I know it says Xbox, but Xbox Seagate. This is totally, we have an Xbox. We're actually going to be bringing it up to our church for our youth ministry, which both of us do. So I don't know. It just says game drive. I'm not techie, if you can't tell. It just says Timex. Oh, it's like so mysterious. Okay. Okay. It's in a little, that is adorable. Oh my gosh. gosh. Okay, so it's got a little mother of pearl finish. This is a really nice like watch. It is a Timex, and let's see. It doesn't say if it is. Oh, it is. Okay, genuine leather. I was about to say, I should know this. I used to sell jewelry. This one is adorable. It's got a nice gold finish. It has the leather. I mean, it is gorgeous. Really like this watch. So this will probably, I don't know. I have my Apple Watch, which I am so terrible at charging it. So maybe this could be like my backup watch. Did they know I have curly hair? Okay, so I kinda wanna try it. Like, you know, Julia tries. This one is, it's a straightening brush. Like, I feel like that's, I could do that. I'm really bad. Like, I did my hair today, but you know, okay. I don't even know how to open it, guys. It's just, okay, so this is a really cool box I can DIY. Like, that's what I'm thinking about. Okay. Okay. This is exciting. Okay, if you guys want to watch me try to figure this out, you need to comment below. Say, yeah, you totally want to watch that. That is so crazy. Have any of you guys used something like this? It has like this little velvet bag, these little hair clips, which I don't use hair clips like in my life. They get lost. What? Oh my gosh, so that's like a little heat glove. So cool. Okay, I have no idea. Okay, another curl. Oh gosh. A single pass curling iron from, oh, it's one of those Kohl's. Okay, so like, you know how Kohl's takes Amazon returns now? Like, probably not what you're supposed to judge these things on, but it's really pretty. Like, it has like a rose gold, which I absolutely love. It says T3. Have you guys heard of this brand? T3. I'm gonna have to like read the instructions on that. It is really gorgeous. So I'm kind of excited. Okay. Ooh, okay. It says it's a nano ionic facial steamer. There you go. That's a nano, like nanotechnology. I don't know. That's totally sci-fi to me. Like, that's Star Trek. You know, nanotechnology and the Borg. No, just me. Okay, that's cool. That's really. I wonder what does that do? Nanotechnology. It steams my face. Oh gosh, guys, this isn't instructions right here, okay? This is not like I can just like plug it in. Hey, at least the instructions are in English. I could figure that out, but okay, that's really cool. Like, we got a lot of like really intense kind of gadgets over here. Okay. Okay. This thing is huge. It's one of those robot vacuum things, okay? Vacuum. I'm in love. It says it mops. 3 kids, y'all. Come on. I don't have time to mop. Like, this is so exciting. Okay, so it's convex. Have you heard of these? Okay, it says it vacuums and mops, dust removal rate of a 94%, and auto boost suction power. Ooh, fancy. A carpet desection. We just got our floors done, so our entire downstairs is not carpet. So we did the vinyl luxury planking, and I love it. It's so great. So it says True Detect 3D. It has a 3-hour running time. Like, that is so cool. Oh, it's got an app on my phone. Ah, that's so cool. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to, like, I guess me and my husband will pull this open and really get, I'm excited about this. I don't know. I'm not quite sure. Oh, it says open. Oh, guys. Okay, so open. I'm still struggling. Okay, we got this. And like I said, this box is from We Bargain, and I'm super pumped. Oh, and you can. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay. I have a discount code. If you use my name, Julia, in the discount code, you can get 15% off of your box. And I love some discount codes, y'all. Like, it's so awesome. This is the Amazon return box that I received, and it is a complete mystery. You don't know what you're getting. It is just an assorted array of goodness, and it is so fun. It's like getting Christmas and not knowing what you're getting. But they have all sorts of different boxes. So if you love the excitement and just random joy that this is bringing me, like, oh my goodness, okay. I hope you guys will definitely try it out. And I don't know, I'll have to figure out how to do that straightening iron because I don't straighten my hair. I do it like maybe once a year. Yeah, y'all won't recognize me if I straighten my hair. Like, I know I look completely different. I am doing a live, I believe it's either this week or next week with my friend Crafty Leanie. I should totally do a live hair straightening that morning and then go live on her channel and she'll be like, who's that? Like, you know, it'll be fun. I don't know, that's kind of like what I'm thinking and what I will probably do as a fun little, like, yeah, words are hard. Like a fun little surprise. I think it'll be great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really cool video, something different, something fun. I love trying new things, as you guys know, and this was something really fun. Thanks guys for checking this video out. I hope you guys will check the description for that coupon code because coupons are awesome. Let's get real. And that's all I have for you guys. Thanks for watching.